The Silent Falcon UAV is a revolutionary solar-electric unmanned aerial vehicle that combines cutting-edge technology with sustainable energy solutions. Its innovative design and advanced capabilities make it a game-changer in both military and civilian applications. This UAV stands out due to its impressive endurance, stealth, and adaptability. The key feature of the Silent Falcon is its solar-powered wings. Made from lightweight, carbon fiber material, the wings are embedded with advanced photovoltaic cells that generate energy from sunlight. This renewable energy source powers the UAV's electric motor, allowing it to stay airborne for up to 12 hours, depending on conditions. The ability to recharge mid-flight provides it with an extended range and operational flexibility while reducing its environmental impact and operational costs. Silent Falcon's name is derived from its quiet electric propulsion system. Unlike conventional UAVs that rely on noisy combustion engines, its electric motor ensures near-silent operation. This makes it ideal for missions requiring discretion, such as wildlife observation, border surveillance, or intelligence gathering in sensitive areas. The quiet operation reduces the risk of detection and disturbance, ensuring missions are conducted effectively and undisturbed. The UAV is highly modular, allowing operators to customize it for various tasks. It can be equipped with a range of payloads, including high-resolution optical cameras, infrared sensors, and advanced communication systems. This adaptability makes the Silent Falcon suitable for a wide array of applications, such as agricultural monitoring, disaster response, infrastructure inspections, and environmental research. Its versatility ensures it meets the needs of diverse industries and mission profiles. Autonomy is another hallmark of the Silent Falcon. The UAV features advanced autopilot systems that enable fully autonomous takeoff, navigation, and landing. With GPS-guided precision, it can navigate complex environments and adjust flight paths dynamically based on real-time data. Operators can monitor the UAV remotely and receive live video feeds and telemetry over secure communication links, ensuring timely decision-making and situational awareness. The Silent Falcon is particularly valuable in military applications. Its long flight endurance allows it to cover vast areas during reconnaissance and surveillance missions. It can operate undetected in hostile environments, capturing high-definition imagery and transmitting it in real time. This intelligence is critical for mission planning and threat assessment, offering a significant advantage on the battlefield. In civilian sectors, the Silent Falcon is used for tasks like wildfire monitoring, search and rescue operations, and large-scale land surveys. Its ability to cover extensive areas efficiently makes it an invaluable tool for addressing natural disasters and public safety challenges. The combination of renewable energy, silent operation, and high-tech capabilities positions it as a leader in sustainable aerial solutions. The Silent Falcon UAV is a glimpse into the future of unmanned systems. By harnessing solar power, delivering silent performance, and offering advanced adaptability, it addresses modern challenges while minimizing its environmental footprint. This innovative technology is a testament to how sustainable and efficient design can redefine the possibilities of unmanned aerial vehicles. The Silent Falcon UAV represents a remarkable leap in drone